Hi, I'm Steve Bognar.
And I'm Julia Reichert, and we're the co-directors of the film American Factory. We're very grateful and thrilled to be invited to be part of this colloquium on scholarship in labor and employment law, also affectionately known as COSELL. We filmed this documentary over 3 years in the Fuyao Glass America plant here in Dayton, Ohio, where we live. We were able to do this thanks to the courage and the generosity of workers on the line at the factory, of workers in management, and also of the chairman, who gave us access and trust. We all felt there would be a lot to learn from doing this filming.
If you've seen American Factory, you know that the film documents several issues related to OSHA, the EPA, the NLRA, and that it covers a union election vote. We hope you'll consider using the film with the people you teach. And there's a number of ways in which you can use it. You can anchor a course around it. You can use it for extra credit as part of an advanced seminar. Or you can even just take clips from the film and address specific concepts and issues. Working with Netflix, we can offer you a free educational license to use the film. At the bottom of the screen, there's a link, and that will take you to a simple free educational license, and then you can download and use the film in your teaching.
We hope people will use this film to understand the human faces and the lives behind the statutes. Now, my daughter, Leila Reichert Klein, is a labor lawyer, and honestly, I didn't know exactly what she did. But during the course of making the film, we ended up calling her regularly to find out more about what both the company and the union were doing to understand the legal dimensions of all that.
Over the course of filming this movie for 3 years, we learned that labor and employment laws in America are largely broken and no longer protect workers. We saw the current state of union elections, of what protected concerted activity looks like, and how those activities are targeted by employers and union avoidance firms.
You know, I became passionate about this point. In America, one of our basic beliefs of our country is the free and fair elections, democratic elections. We all agree with that. Look at the film, think about what we saw. We saw workers, many of them being fired for being pro-union. We saw workers having to attend mandatory meetings repeatedly that were confusing and intimidating. We saw a barrage all over the plant of visual messaging, vote no. There was a general creation of tension in the plant about the union election. So I ask you, with all of that, was this a free, fair, and democratic election? Are there really democratic union elections in America? I say maybe no. And I also say you need to fight for that.
Thank you for watching the film. We appreciate you considering using it as a teaching tool.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good luck in your work.